Hi there, I'm Andrew Cohen. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon. I've been in practice in Los Angeles for over 21 years. I'm very fortunate to have a beautiful office in Encino. I had been in Beverly Hills for 18 years, and now we moved our office over here to Encino, California, so we can provide a better space for our patients and not only have a beautiful office, but also an operating room. We have a Quad A certified operating room with an MD anesthesiologist to be able to provide surgical services to our patients that is safe, efficient, and state-of-the-art.
I got a breast reduction with Dr. Cohen. I've always been uncomfortable with the ratio of the size of my breasts to body, and I knew that I needed to do something to change that so I could feel more comfortable in my day-to-day life. I was experiencing back pain, I was experiencing discomfort in my clothing, things didn't fit the right way, so I knew that this was something that I wanted to do, but I wasn't sure exactly how to move forward.
I had liposuction from my upper abdomen, lower abdomen, my flanks, and my chest. The reason why I had the surgery was because I have a low thyroid problem. So when you have a thyroid problem, you tend to gain weight rapidly. You can't control it. I felt like I had a 40-year-old body, but with a 20-year-old mind. And it just held me back, and I couldn't do the things that I wanted to do.
I have a father who's a retired general surgeon and 3 older brothers that are all surgeons. So in my family, you get to choose what kind of surgeon you want to be. So I am a member of both the American Board of Plastic Surgery and the Aesthetic Society. Both of those societies are really the 2 highest esteemed societies that you can belong to as a plastic surgeon here in America. I've been in practice for over 21 years here in Los Angeles, doing a lot of cosmetic and reconstructive procedures, mostly face and body. My specialties are breast reconstructive and cosmetic procedures, tummy tucks, mommy makeovers, liposculpture, breast augmentations, breast lifts, breast reductions. I do a lot of face and eyes and rhinoplasties.
I've been wanting to get a breast reduction for forever. I felt like my back was very small. For my large breasts, it was affecting my back, things I could wear, the things I could do. So I finally came to Dr. Cohen. Immediately, I was super comfortable with the team, with Dr. Cohen. We went from a size double D to a small C, and I'm super happy with the results. The doctor did say he doesn't do twins, but I feel like I did get twins almost.
I now can see the final results of the effort that I put into losing 180 pounds. He was able to remove 7 pounds of excess skin, which made a huge difference. There were days where I would wake up and I was so bloated, and I was wondering, when am I going to see the final results of the weight loss? It's completely a game changer because now I can see everything that I worked for has finally paid off. So thank you to Dr. Andrew Cohen for that.
I saw Dr. Cohen last year for having a tummy tuck myself. I have 2 kids, so I wanted to get the extra skin removed, and that was the only way possible to have surgery was a tummy tuck, not exercise, and I think like that can actually help. It's the extra skin that Dr. Cohen needed to remove.
Not only in my office here in Encino do we have the state-of-the-art equipment for your safety, I've got a high-end, beautiful laser, fractional CO2 laser called a Decadot, and that laser will help the texture of your skin. So that's been a very popular procedure we've been doing lately. In our operating room, there's a whole team there to help you. The MD anesthesiologist, myself, an RN, and a circulating RN. This team is there for your safety and have been handpicked by me to be the best. So we appreciate them, and I'm sure you will too.
His nurse was very friendly. His anesthesiologist was also amazing. He had called me the night before. He reassured me of everything that he was going to be doing throughout the surgery. And so that was very nice of them because when I came in, I already knew what to expect and there wasn't going to be any surprises. I wasn't anxious about anything.
He walked me through the whole process. It was an easy process. I didn't feel worried. I didn't feel scared.
One of the reasons I knew that I wanted to go with Dr. Cohen was when we had our first consultation and he talked to me like I was a human. I had had a few others and it felt very clinical, it felt very cold and pushed through, but he was interested in hearing about my life and why I wanted this procedure and why this was going to change my life.
I had seen a lot of work from other doctors and they actually left scars that were way up high or scars that were uneven, higher on the sides and lower in the front. And so with him, it wasn't like that. My scars even throughout, it's healing wonderful.
For a tummy tuck, I was expecting to take 2 weeks off of work. I am not a normal patient. I came back to work after about a week. The surgery itself took about 2.5 hours. What saved me after for recovery was a front wheel walker.
I have found that all the information after surgery, we prep all of our patients so they know what to prepare for, because the aftercare is just as important as what I do in the operating room. We're going to see you the next day or two after the surgery. We're going to see you a week later. We're going to see you a month, 2 month, 4 months, 6 months, and a year. So there's a lot of follow-ups, but that's to ensure that you're happy, we're happy, and that the scars are healing beautifully.
Any questions that I have, I could always text them or call them. They're always very responsive. They're always available.
The support was amazing. The staff called me. They made sure I was okay. Dr. Cohen himself made himself available to me. I was able to text him, tell him what my problems were, if I had any, how I was feeling, and he responded back instantly.
Having this surgery has changed my life in so many different ways. The way that I present myself in the world, the way that I feel like I look has changed to how comfortable I am around people. My friends, my family have noticed that I'm more happy just moving through life every day, wearing the clothes that I want to wear, wearing clothes that I was not able to wear before, being able to get through a work day without having back pain, without having fatigue in my shoulders. I had indents in my shoulders before from my bra straps. I don't have that anymore, which is very exciting.
The breast reduction has really changed my life completely. I mean, I didn't just get a breast reduction, which is initially the only thing I wanted. I found out through the process that you also get a lift. I used to have pain in my back from just having to wear a bra to support. I don't have that anymore. I can work better.
With the surgery, I'm now able to do more things. I'm more active. I have 3 kids, and it's a handful with kids. And you got to be on your toes. You always got to be doing things. And when you are overweight, it's very difficult to do these types of things. Without that heaviness on me, I'm able to do more.
A lot of our patients ask me if I trust Dr. Cohen with my surgery. And I used to say, yes, I would. But now I can say, yes, I do. Not only did he meet my expectations and my goals, he thoroughly exceeded them, and I am beyond happy with the results.
With Dr. Cohen, you know that you'll be safe and get exactly what you want.
Just the results speak for themselves. My body, looking at it, it's amazing.
If you want a doctor and an office that's like a family, go to Dr. Cohen. They really treat you like family, and they care about your end results and want you as a lifelong patient, not just a one-time surgery patient.
I want to welcome you to my practice. This is Andrew Cohen saying thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon.